What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. This is Garden with X. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I just dropped you guys a video on my Brussels sprouts, but I actually want to do this real quick and give you guys an update on my tomato plant.
I want to see it.
Okay, we'll see it right now. See? Alright guys, so basically if you guys remember last time I was giving you guys tips on how to trim your tomato plants and how to just basically try to give you a better harvest or produce better. So this is the outcome. I've been having a lot of tomatoes. I've already eaten plenty. Also I've had, like I've been eating a lot of these. I had the wind coming in here and knocked my plant down a couple times, and I lost a couple tomatoes. You guys can see this one fell to the ground. Yeah, it was almost there, but for some reason it fell out. But you guys can see the color differences and you know how my tomato tree is growing. So basically I still come in here and I look for these, like for example this one right here is a little sucker and this is gonna drain it. So what I do is I just come in here, you guys already know, and I'll take out those little little branches growing in the armpit. And basically that's what's making my ever since I did that, I've been having a great harvest. I've been I mean, you guys can tell right here just looking at this. Look at all these tomatoes, you know what I mean? This is all from just trimming those little suckers, because all they do is drain your energy. And I know my plant's a little floppy. I know it's in a small container. I didn't expect it to do so well, but I am gonna transplant it into that one. I'm just gonna use that. When I do, I will make a video, but this is just a quick little update before I start it gets too far along and I start harvesting everything. I'm still gonna eat this baby right here. Here, go wash this for me, son, so I can eat it, or you guys can eat it. And that's how it is though. Look at it, I mean, it's producing pretty well, you know what I mean? And not to count everything I've already harvested and been eating off this. And you know, I throw them in there, make me a little salad, a little Caesar salad, a little chicken salad, and I throw my little cherry tomatoes in there, you know, and they've been getting bigger and bigger. You guys can see how fat it is. Like, it's not no humongous tomato, but they're doing well. Oh man, I haven't been picking my blueberries. Yeah, I'm picking them. But yeah guys, that's my update on my tomato. And if you guys are looking to see this, I'm gonna show you guys real quick how my strawberries are doing. I got a couple growing already. Got that one. I had another one that fell. But check it out guys. These are my strawberries.
Mom,
yes?
lost it.
Okay, you almost knocked me down, son. Here, take a bite. It's a tomato. Do you want it?
It's yummy, Bo.
Yeah, it's yummy. See guys? I got a couple things growing, couple, you know, strawberries. They're getting there. I had a couple already, but we ate them. My kids come in here. This is spinach right here, guys. I threw it in here. It's doing okay. I haven't, a lot of this stuff, I stopped keeping an eye on it, really. But my strawberries are doing awesome. What I did to make them produce faster is I trimmed a lot of these big leaves. They get too big and they just block out the sun, and I got rid of these dead leaves, you know, so it looks like they're spreading disease. I don't want that. I come in here, I trim them. I get these big flowers out the way, these leaves, and so they could get good sun. And you don't want just a bunch of leaves, you know. You trim them, and your strawberries start coming out. They come out. They do great. They just bust out of there. Look at that. The leaves grow and grow and grow. See that? So just don't be afraid to come in here and trim them, you know. You got more leaves growing in there. Let me show you guys, get a good view. Right there. See, you got more leaves. You got more leaves in here. You got leaves growing in here. They grow, so don't be afraid to just come in here and trim them, you know. But yeah guys, that's a quick little update on my tomato plant. They're looking good. They're tasty, flavorful. And I wish it started growing sooner, to be honest, but hey, all in time. My thing is leaning over. It definitely needs to be transplanted. That's it, guys. I hope this helps you guys. And you know, I hope you guys get your stuff going. So
it's home.
yeah, guys, subscribe if you can, if you want to. Leave a comment, negative or good, don't matter to me, just as long as you're showing some type of support. And I love criticism. You know, it helps me to get better. My cilantro bolted already. I'm gonna let it bowl. Let's see if I can get some seeds from that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. Tell them to subscribe. Say subscribe, please. Say it. No? There, your lips are. Say subscribe, please.
Subscribe, please. And we have blueberries.
Blueberries.
We're going to pick them.
You gonna pick them?
Yes. So yummy.
Oh, yummy.
So
Okay.
yummy.
Yes, you're drinking a lot of Gatorade. Your lips are all red. Alright, guys. Till next time. Thanks for the love, guys.